Topic 29. My favorite teacher at school. My favorite teacher at school is my English teacher because she is kind, patient, and very supportive. Her name is Miss Srapov, and she always teaches with a smile. I enjoy her class very much because she makes learning English easy and fun. Every morning, she greets all the students warmly when she enters the classroom. Her positive attitude makes everyone feel comfortable and happy. She explains lessons clearly and gives many examples so we can understand better. When students make mistakes, she does not become angry. Instead, she encourages us to keep trying and improve step by step. I like her teaching style because she uses interesting activities in class. Sometimes we practice speaking in pairs, play vocabulary games, or read short stories together. These activities help me feel more confident when speaking English. Before, I was shy to speak in front of others, but now I feel much better because of her support. My teacher also teaches us important life lessons. She tells us to respect others, work hard, and never give up on our dreams. She always says that success comes from practice and patience. Her advice motivates me to study harder every day. Outside the classroom, she is also very caring. When students have problems, she listens and gives helpful advice. She wants all her students to have a bright future. I respect her not only as a teacher, but also as a good person. Because of my teacher, I now enjoy learning English more than before. She inspires me to become more confident and responsible. I am very thankful to have such a wonderful teacher in my life. I believe a good teacher can change students' lives in a positive way. My favorite teacher has helped me grow and believe in myself, and I will always remember her kindness and support.